A restaurant manager calls for backup, leading police to confront one of the diners.
Ask me.
Okay.
Delgado, give me your regulations.
You don't settle down.
I am also
you're gonna go to jail for
under the
disorderly conduct.
investigation of the President Trump.
But it's what she's accused of doing when she thought no one was watching that'll make your jaw drop.
So we're being told that you urinated in the break room.
Oh, God, no.
This is Inside the Crime, presented by Law&Crime. I'm Elizabeth Millner. Now imagine this, you're at work, you're having a long shift, you need a break, so of course you go to the break room. Maybe you're on your phone, you're scrolling, you're listening to music, you're watching TV, whatever. Then you turn your head and someone is using the bathroom right next to you. And again, remember, you're not even in the bathroom. It's February 8th of 2025. We're in Pensacola, Florida, specifically at the Cactus Cantina Mexican Grill, located on North 12th Avenue. Around 6:30 that evening, officers were called there because a customer had, let's just say, confused an employee break room with a porta potty.
The lady sitting right there. She went up there, put her pants down, and start peeing on the floor in front of everybody. Where at? Here. The lady right there.
Contact with her.
The one with the glasses. The one that's facing us.
The woman was ID'd as 32-year-old Shirley Bui, but she maintained where she went was the bathroom.
What's going on tonight, y'all?
What's going on? What's going on?
Can I talk to you real quick? Okay. Can we talk over here for a minute?
That's fine. What?
Hey, so what happened tonight?
What do you mean?
What happened tonight?
What do you mean exactly what happened?
We got called here and we're being told that an incident occurred involving you.
There was no incident. He is my coworker. I'm HR.
You're what?
I am HR. He's one of my employees.
Who is one of your employees?
Delgado. Exactly what incidents are you telling me?
So we're being told that you urinated in the break room.
Oh, God, no. I was peeing in the bathroom, but I didn't urinate because I was supposed to, but I didn't urinate in the front.
You said you peed in the bathroom?
Yes. Like I was supposed to, because it's in the bathroom.
Now, it's not fully clear if Shirley maybe had one too many margaritas, but looking at it from another officer's body cam, you can see her story is just all over the place.
Do you just have an ID on you?
Yeah, that's fine. Y'all go ahead and do what you gotta do.
Yes, I did.
Because
and if you could just have
I
a seat where
peed in the
conducting
bathroom like
investigation.
I was supposed to.
I'm in the same
That's
space.
fine.
25 foot.
It's 25 feet, sir. That's the Halo law.
I mean, if you want my passport, that's fine
No,
too.
I don't want your passport. I'm just trying to figure out why I got called. I'm not saying you did it, but if I get called here, I have to conduct an
I
investigation.
get it. Because we're about to go to the same thing here. You're about to go there.
I'm sorry, I couldn't.
But I say we're about to go there. You're doing the same thing. You're about to go there.
What do you mean?
As in Department of Defense, we're about to go to the same thing you go through when it comes to the national defense thing. I get it. So you can check the passport and see if it goes through. And once it goes through, you let me know.
This is not a passport. This
That's
has
fine.
nothing to do
I
with
can
it.
get you my passport.
I don't want your passport.
Okay,
You're good on that.
passport, that's fine.
Now 381 Alcatraz.
You want some ideas here?
No. Not unless you're going to keep impeding my investigation.
He's not.
There's an
He's
investigation.
an American
Yes, there
citizen.
is.
He won't.
So that means you got to pull the gun. I'm here.
Delgado.
And you're asking me questions. So
Dude,
if you were wise, you would say,
Delgado. I'm telling you, sit down. I got this. Delgado, sit down. I got this. I'm telling you. I got this.
The vehicle was going the way. The customer on the right. They have the driver drop the off here. Black female having phones.
Make sure you have your jurisdiction. That's your citizen.
Oh, jurisdiction?
As soon as I'm done with this, yes, because I'm also Bureau of Prisons. So I'm going to ask you to make sure that you are citizens of the United States, just like I am. Because I also work for the jurisdiction.
Okay. So right now, she's not being charged with anything. Right now, we're conducting an investigation, like we told you.
Also, is him. Make sure you have your.
Sir, if you don't go sit down and keep impeding my investigation, we're gonna have a real problem here. So just sit down and be quiet for a minute. I'll give you my name when I'm done. Sit down. Sit down.
You're
Like
asking
in the
for
chair.
my citizens. He's
No,
gonna ask you for
I've given
yours,
you the option to sit
which
down by
is in
yourself.
his
We're not gonna keep
rights.
going.
What's that?
Because we're also American citizens. We're gonna ask you under Department of Federal Jurisdiction. We're gonna ask you the same.
We have jurisdiction here.
Yes, we do. And I'll print out the report if you need to. I am HR.
Okay.
So if you urinated in the bathroom,
I
like
sure
you're
am.
supposed to,
Like I'm supposed to.
why would someone call us and tell us that?
I don't know, because someone's keeping racist like they always are.
Do you work here?
No, I'm literally eating.
I wasn't sure because you said you were HR, so I don't know if you're HR.
Exactly, like I'm supposed to. I can't eat. Are you asking me I can't eat? If I
What's
am
the thing
an
I want to
American,
figure out?
I can't eat in American restaurants?
What?
We just hold on to it.
Yeah.
Ask me. Give me that.
Give you
Give
what?
me my ID.
No, right now we're conducting.
It's my ID.
Right now we are conducting.
Correct. I'm also conducting an investigation because through the authority of President Trump, I am
Okay, you
asking
don't
for
settle down.
authority. Ask me.
Okay.
Delgado, ask, give me your
don't settle down,
resolutions.
If you don't settle down,
I am
you're
also
going to go to jail for
under the
disorderly conduct.
investigation of the President Trump.
Right now, that's
The same thing.
I don't know what that is.
President Bureau of Prisons. I am the
President
same
Bureau
thing.
of Prison.
I'm the same thing. I'm
Okay.
holding the president. I'm holding the inmates of American.
Okay.
I'm the same thing.
Okay.
While Shirley denied using the break room as a bathroom, this is what the police report stated. Officer Thompson retrieved camera footage that depicted Bui walking into the employee break room, pulling her pants to bare skin, sitting on the chair, and urinating. I observed redacted in the break room at the same time Bui's organs were exposed, and she was urinating. I did not observe any toilets or urinals in the break room that would lead any reasonable person to believe that they were in a restroom.
We need to settle down.
I'm the same thing.
Okay.
Ask me the same thing. If you're asking me for my citizenship,
don't-
I should ask you for yours because you could be
I'm not
Russian.
asking you for your citizenship.
He is.
How did he ask you for your?
He just said.
He asked you for your ID.
Did you not assume that?
He asked
Are
you
you
for your
serious right
ID.
now? Are you serious right now? You're asking for my citizenship?
No.
My parents' citizenship?
No.
Where did I come from?
No.
The same thing. You can turn around. You can ask him.
I never asked any of those
Okay.
things.
Are you afraid to turn around?
I never asked any of those things.
You're sure. You're sorry.
I never asked
get
any
it.
of those
I
things.
get it.
You do?
I get it.
I don't
get
think you
it.
do.
I sure do.
Okay.
Because I am a citizenship. I
Okay.
was born in Hawaii. I get it.
Perfect.
I'm also on the
And you have a
same side
Florida
you
ID.
are.
That's awesome.
And you asked me for my citizenship, and I gave it.
I never asked you your citizenship.
Okay, but he did. Because he assumed, because I look at his different skin color, that he asked me when I am an American citizenship.
Okay.
I get it. Ask me again.
All right, just
Ask
put
me
your hands on your
again.
back.
Go ahead. Yo, got it. You got it?
Why are you arresting her?
Because I'm an American citizen.
Why
Born
are you
in
arresting her?
Hawaii
I'm
in
25.
1993.
Why are you
Shirley
arresting
Bui asked me. I work for the Federal Bureau of Prisons
No, you don't.
in the United States of America.
Hey, am I 25 feet away?
Go ahead.
You don't work for him anymore.
Oh, sure do. And I always will.
You know what? That's just damn shame. That's a damn
Always
shame.
will. American
That's damn shame.
citizenship.
You wanna go
That's
there, right?
exactly what I work for. That's who I work for. Is Americans.
I'm 25 feet
Oh,
away.
he won't.
Okay,
He
I'm back.
won't. If he was white, I bet you won't ask him that.
25 feet away. 25 feet away. 25 feet away.
Where's your car?
25 feet away. I am. 25 feet away. I am. 25 feet away. I am.
I'm sorry, it comes down to this for both of y'all.
What's that?
I said I'm sorry, it comes down to both of this for y'all.
For the government.
I do work for the government.
That doesn't give you a free pass.
No, I was born in the United States.
I'm coming for you both. And I'm sorry it has to come to this. I am also born in the United States. I'm coming for y'all both.
Okay. See you in court, I guess.
I sure will. Like I said, I'm sorry ahead of time. But I gotta do what I gotta do.
I got light. Search her.
Of course.
The search.
I got y'all. Just so you know, I'm sorry for you both. I have
No, they won't
the
respond
birth
for this.
certificate.
Why not?
I have
Because
the birth
it's stupid.
certificate.
Why
I
are
have
you
the birth
arresting her?
certificate in hand
Why are you
right
If
now.
you'll stand by for a second, I can go grab
Sir,
one.
I have
I'm
the
25
birth
feet
certificate
away
in
with
hand
you.
right now.
I'm 25 a week. I'm 25 a week.
Really?
Am I? Why are you arresting her?
Delgado.
What?
Honestly speaking.
Delgado.
Am I 25 feet away from you? Yes or no?
Approximately.
Okay.
Delgado. Let them.
Hey, I'm 25 feet away from you.
Delgado, let them, because
I'll
when
just
they
leave one.
free me,
Man, sir,
Delgado,
honestly, we got other things to do than this, right?
Now
Delgado,
we're doing this.
as a federal bureau of the United States, I'm going to ask you to pause.
Turn around. Turn around.
Turn
around.
Pause. I'm
Up
going to
against
ask
the
you to
car.
pause.
Up against the car.
Go ahead.
Take a half step back.
Go ahead.
Sir,
Take a half step back.
Okay.
There you go.
I'm 25 feet away from you.
Spread your feet for me.
This is unbelievable.
Let them do what they got to do, because I've done this before.
Is this your car keys?
It sure is.
Do you have a cell phone?
Probably not on me, but if it is, it was on the left side of my
Can you call your sergeant, sir?
No.
Why not?
Call
I don't need to.
Carissa Morales
sir?
on the phone.
Sir, why not?
Because I don't need to.
I believe you need to call
Delgado, let
Then
them
you can
do
call
what
them.
they gotta do. They gotta do what they gotta do.
Do you have anything in your bra?
No, I do not. You can check it if you need
Nope,
to.
you're good.
Right now, sir.
That's fine.
I'm good.
And it won't be
Sir,
long.
can you call your sergeant?
No,
Right now, sir.
I don't need to.
How long have you been a police officer, sir?
Doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter.
It really doesn't.
Based on the basis, I'm 25 feet away from you, sir.
Okay.
Based on the basis, why are you holding her uncustody, sir?
I already told you.
Officers say it was more than one employee who witnessed Shirley urinating in the break room, so she was arrested on a misdemeanor of indecent exposure, something that even seemed to catch Shirley's wife off guard.
Sir, can you tell me why you was detained? No, you are an officer of this court, right? Why was you detained? I am 25 feet away from her.
This is wife.
This is his wife.
I'm just trying
This
to
is
see
whose
what's
wife?
going on. I am Shirley Bui's wife.
Okay.
So
She went into the break room in front of employees and sat on a chair in a room with 0 toilets underneath a camera and urinated.
okay,
Employees observed this.
okay,
They saw her naked. They would like to pursue charges against her. Once they say that, I have no dog in the fight.
okay.
They like your
I
friend here
understand.
mentioned,
I've literally
My
been,
name is Mr.
Mr. Delgado.
Yes.
Like he
I
has
have been
explained.
sitting in the parking lot and our child is in the car, so I am
I
not
got
aware
you.
of anything. I'm just trying to
I got you.
get caught up.
But like Mr. Delgado explained, I am a servant of
Yes.
the people, and the people called, alleged a crime,
Yes.
had evidence of said crime, and as a servant, I have to act on that, correct?
And I appreciate
Okay.
that and I respect that.
But I
now,
told you that
who is the person that decided to say the complaint? Where's the person at?
They're employees, so they're entitled.
Okay, where is the employee that stated
I'm,
this?
I'm not going to tell you where the employees
and I got you.
If you want to show up to the court date, whenever that may be, you are more than welcome to do that, okay?
Do you know, sir, that you are being recorded? Yes or no?
And
Obviously, I started recording
What is
before
your
I
name,
even.
sir? Record.
I've told you 10 times, dude. I'm
Well,
not
tell
going to
me
keep.
no me do
Okay,
that.
sir.
What is your sir? What's your name, sir?
Sir, I understand you're trying to help. I am in a panic mode right now, so I'm just trying to figure out what's going on. And honestly, you're making my anxiety much worse. So I assume you guys are going to downtown station, correct?
Oh, we're going to the Escambia County Jail,
Okay.
which is Fairfield and.
Yeah, I know
Case.
where that is at. I have got to get my kids somewhere and then figure out where we go.
Yeah,
She will have a bond. It's not going to be high.
Okay.
It's booking process probably 4 hours.
Okay. And I don't even know what the process is.
So
like,
she'll
as
be
far as
taken there.
that.
She'll be.
I mean, as far as like the bond and things like that, I don't understand
So,
how to.
so if you don't have the cash for the bond posted, you can go through a bail bondsman, and it'll be 10% of whatever the bond is. So
Okay.
I don't know exactly what the bond is without.
I mean,
looking at it and everything like that. It's just
understand.
10% of whatever that number is. If you go through a
Okay.
bondsman.
And then, like, I mean, if the money's in the bank, can I pay by like a debit card or something
Yeah.
like
Yeah,
that?
yeah.
Or okay.
So say, I doubt her bond is going to be $1,000. If it was $1,000, you'd pay $100 to a bondsman, she would get out of jail.
Okay.
I don't think it's going to be $1,000.
Okay. All right.
And like I said,
And then when I just come to
so
Escambia County,
she can
Is there-
list down phone numbers. She can take her phone with her if she needs to copy them down. She can do that, and then she can call whoever she needs to whenever she gets booked in. There's like a day room. She'll
Yeah.
have plenty of phones that she can sit there and call whoever.
okay.
And that's whenever they'll, hey, I'm about to be released in X amount of time.
Yeah.
That's whenever you can start the process.
Okay. Am I able to write down my phone number? Just so I can
Absolutely.
give you- I have her phone. I don't want to send it with her if I don't have to. I'd rather just write down my phone number.
No
Once
worries.
again, you know that you guys are being recorded at this moment in time.
Absolutely.
Okay,
That's your First Amendment right.
You guys are acknowledging this.
That's your First Amendment right.
Yes, absolutely.
Shirley was eventually taken to the Escambia County Jail, but not before the manager told her don't come back ever again.
Hey, just so you know, you're not welcome here. Don't come back here. You're not welcome in this store anymore.
Thank you.
And he comes in, goes through, closes the door because he didn't want the customers to see it on their way to the bathroom, goes and gets the manager and 2 other servers, comes back and shows them. There's him, that's the manager, other manager 14, and then 2 females. I didn't get the females because I figured him and the other guy. That's pretty much it. He said basically he was in the other room doing inventory, walked into the lobby, saw her peeing. What are you doing?
Has everyone been sworn?
Yeah.
All right, sweet.
So this is one. The other one that's in the card, he was basically, his statement was Juan came and got him, come back and showed him, and after she got done, she went back to her table.
Do you have phone numbers for all of them?
Mm-hmm.
All right, sweet. If you could just forward that to me, and somehow I'm going to try to upload that without having access to my account. Or if you could, who's the North Sergeant? Sergeant Slade?
Yeah, I'll
Could you email the video to her?
Mm-hmm.
Thanks.
And then I went ahead and just got a picture of her.
Okay.
And then right before, so that way it's clearly her. Charge indecent exposure and then just a trespass warning.
Shirley Bui was released from jail the following day after posting a $500 bond. Online court records show Shirley also faced a disorderly conduct charge, which she resolved by completing a pretrial diversion program, and prosecutors ultimately dropped the indecent exposure charge. Thanks for tuning into this episode of Inside the Crime. I'm Elizabeth Millner.